Welcome to our channel, where we're going to make math cool and delicious. Today we have a sweet treat in store for you. We're going to explore the magical world of math while making homemade ice cream. Now let's start with our ingredients. To make delicious ice cream, we need to follow a recipe and use precise measurements. I have 1 cup of milk right here. But what if the recipe calls for half a cup of milk? How can we measure that? This is where fractions come into play. A whole cup is divided into 2 equal parts, so half a cup would be just one of those parts. Perfect, we have our half cup of milk. Now let's add some sweetness and flavor to our ice cream. I have a 1/4 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just like fractions, we can use different measurements to achieve the perfect balance of taste in our ice cream. Next, we need to add some eggs to our mixture. But here comes a math challenge. The recipe calls for 3 eggs, and we already have 1 egg in the bowl. How many more do we need? That's right, we need 2 more eggs to complete the 3 eggs required. Great, our egg count is complete. Now it's time to bring it all together. We need to whisk our mixture until it becomes smooth and creamy. Whisking not only blends the ingredients, but also introduces some science into our math-infused ice cream adventure. The motion of whisking creates friction, which helps break down the sugar molecules and incorporate air into our mixture. Now that our mixture is ready, let's introduce our ice cream maker into the equation. It's time for a little bit of time and temperature math. The ice cream maker works by constantly churning the mixture while freezing it. This process takes approximately 30 minutes, but it can vary depending on the temperature and consistency you desire. And voila! After the freezing process is complete, we have our homemade ice cream. Now let's indulge in the deliciousness that math and science have helped us create. It's creamy, smooth, and absolutely delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this math-filled ice cream adventure as much as I have. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment. Math is everywhere, even in the kitchen. So the next time you make ice cream, don't forget to add